Starting an affiliate business doesn't have to be complicated. And that's where John Thornhill's Ambassador Program comes in. This program is based on a done for you affiliate model, so instead of building everything yourself, you simply replicate what's already working. Here's what you'll get: a complete webinar funnel that brings in leads and presents offers for you, 99 email templates that are pre written to follow up with your subscribers, and traffic training that shows you how to get visitors into your funnel. There's even a JV page setup that lets you leverage affiliates to promote offers for you, so you can scale without doing all the heavy lifting. John Thornhill is a ClickBank Platinum seller who's already made millions online. And his package his exact system into something you can use, even if you're brand new. With just a few hours a week, you can start setting up automated income streams that work 24/7. Want to learn more? Reserve your spot for the webinar through the link in the description and discover how this system can help you launch your online business from scratch.